Welcome to Man Does Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by confirming you're on an administrator account and close apps to avoid data loss. First actionable step. Press Windows plus R, type Control, and press Enter to test access. If Control Panel still fails, open Settings Update and Security and install updates. Many component issues resolve after a reboot. While rebooting, note recent changes, drivers or software installs that might coincide with the failure, because we'll target those next once the system restarts, and you've gathered that context. Once done with updates and restart, run dism then sfc to repair system images and files. Open an elevated PowerShell and run dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health followed by sfc/scano. While those run, open Services. MSC and locate Windows Management Instrumentation. Restart it if it stopped, because Control Panel depends on it. If problems persist, create a temporary local administrator account to check whether your user profile is corrupted. You'll know it's profile-related if Control Panel works under the new account. To finish, if Control Panel opens under another account, copy settings or reset your profile. If earlier fixes fail, perform a system restore to a point when Control Panel worked. Make sure restore points predate the issue. Reinstall any drivers or apps added just before the problem. Use Device Manager to roll back drivers if needed. Key troubleshooting tip. If major corruption persists, use Reset This PC choosing Keep My Files, and only consider a clean install as the absolute last resort.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.